Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam. Thank you for my returning subscribers for coming back to watch another video. In case you're new here, hello there. Thank you for dropping by. Do consider being part of the family by hitting the subscription button and also turning on your notification bell, and then you will never miss any video from me. So today we are not doing a hair care video, we are not doing a skincare video, but we are doing a video. So in case you want to know what we're talking about today, please continue watching. Okay, so tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so I'll be going home. I want to do a little bit of something for her. She's the strongest woman that I know. I don't have much. I'm just this little girl trying to make a living. But yeah, because she's the best. I know everyone says their mothers are the best mothers ever, but my mom is the strongest woman that I know. That's a story for another day, but I just want to say thank you to her with just a little bit of something. So we'll be going home. The rest of the video that you're going to see, it will be here and there because yes, but I hope you enjoy the video. And by the way, before we go, I'm sorry, I planned to film the wrapping part so that you can see everything that is in here, but life happened. I couldn't do that. What's happening to my camera? Okay, so I couldn't do that, but hopefully when she's unpacking this, you guys will get to see what's in here. But my present is all set. Yes. My present is all wrapped up. She actually doesn't know that I'm going home, to start with. Number two, my mom always forgets her birthday unless I surprise her. She always forgets. So it's her birthday tomorrow. She didn't know that I'm going home. She actually doesn't even know that I have a gift for her. So I hope she's going to love this. So this is the gift I actually made. I ordered a cake for her, but I will be getting it tomorrow in the afternoon. So we don't know how that is going to go. And I'm nervous. Yes, I'm nervous. I hope it goes well. And the other thing is oh yeah, I got it. Yes. And oh yes, I didn't want to get a bouquet of roses for personal reasons, but just this one rose I'm sure is going to be enough. Don't worry, it's going to make it to tomorrow. It's going to make it to tomorrow. So okay, I'm weird. I didn't get a card because I thought of making my own. It's old-fashioned, but I wanted to write something from my heart. I'm not really making a card, but I'm just making something. Yes, you're going to see it. And for the bouquet, I didn't get her roses. I got her sunflowers. I'm yet to arrange these sunflowers into a bouquet. I have two other bunches in there, so I'm yet to arrange these into a bouquet. And I'm going to tell you later the reason why I chose a bouquet of sunflowers over a bouquet of roses. You get it? Yes. So anyway, let's go home guys. But oh, and by the way, yes, I plan to give her a makeover. She's been on my neck. Do my hair. Every time I'm home, she wants me to do her hair. So hopefully I'm going to give her a little bit of a makeover, give her that glam look. Yes. And I hope everything goes well. So let's go.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with